Alright, so the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. Tonight we're going to go over one of the many indicators that I use to help lock in profits, secure good deals in stocks. So all that and more coming right up. We're going to go right into TD Ameritrade, bear with me. Also, quick plug, camera's working, so huge plus. And boom. Okay, so now that we're in TD, what one is RSI? I know this looks like a bunch of spaghetti, but the RSI is actually this one down here. Let me actually go to my studies, get rid of all of them but the RSI. Okay, so now that we only have strictly the RSI, let's kind of break it down and talk about how to even use it. So this is the RSI right here, and as you can see, there's two lines, one at 30 RSI and one at 70. It's at or over 70. It's actually a term that we use as traders called overbought, meaning that it's not for a good deal anymore. If you ever go on any car website or anything, you can see if it's for a good deal or not for a good deal. It's kind of the same thing as stocks. We don't want to buy stocks that aren't a good deal. Okay, so when it's over 70, like right here, leading up to pre-split, you can see I traded it, but the second it was overbought, the second time, I actually sold. And then when it was oversold, or when it's blue, meaning it's presenting a good deal, a good buy opportunity. Again, we don't just use one indicator to present a good buy opportunity, but RSI is great at letting us know when we're getting it for a good deal. If we were only to trade Tesla when it's oversold and then to sell when it's overbought, like right here, we would have bought at a great buy opportunity at sub $350, and then presented a good sell opportunity around $450. Right here again, as you can see, if we were to buy down here around $70, that's a good buy opportunity, and it presented itself about a week ago. Right here, as you can see, it was a little bit oversold around the $300, $380 price point. So it really teaches us when a good time, or when a stock is on sale almost, or when it's at a good time to buy. Again, we don't just use one indicator to depict when to buy, but the RSI is one of the top indicators that I use, especially when swing trading. So a quick recap: red is overbought, or over 70 RSI, or relative strength index, is overbought, meaning a good time to sell or not to buy. And then under 30 RSI, or relative strength index, actually means oversold or potentially on sale or for a better deal. Let's look at more examples. So this is PLNHF. I talked about it last video, where I think it's going to be one of the top leading cannabis stocks if Biden is president. So you can see right here, it was oversold. See that little blue right there? Again, presented a great opportunity to buy. And if you were to strictly just sell when it's at red or overbought, it's almost 50% ROI, or return on investment. So obviously, this tool is really, it's a great asset to add to your indicators, especially this is one of my top 3 indicators I use. If you want to know more about the RSI and how we pair it with other indicators to lock in profits, to get stocks on good deals, first, join the Discord, link in the description. And second, we are breaking it down in the course. I just shot the video for it, where we actually broke it down on the whiteboard. So I can't wait for that to come out for you guys to actually understand more of the strategy. Any other questions or any other video ideas, don't forget to comment them. I will video this. As a shout out to Dawson Hayes, he actually gave me this idea, so thanks, buddy, for that one. Don't forget to constantly give me ideas. If you guys have any questions, again, I will make videos on it. I am planning on making one for the MACD, so stay tuned for that one. Other than that, guys, let's close out 2020 on a green note. I know it was a pretty hectic year, but now that we only have 2 months left for the first year of this decade, we need to look at towards 2021 or even 2030 vision. So where we're looking 5-10 years in advance. So do something today that your future self would thank you for tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as of course that helps out the channel immensely. Share it with your friends, or just comment down below if you have any other questions. Other than that, have a good day, guys.